finally.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Tuscaloosa County, west central Shelby County, northern Bibb County, southwestern Jefferson County until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm under it, I think.
At 6:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Minor to near Roberta to Coker, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Alabaster, Bessemer, Homewood, Northport, Pelham, Helena, Hueytown, Fairfield, Chelsea, Hull, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Brighton, Indian Springs Village, Lipscomb, and Lakeview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Jefferson, Shelby, and Tuscaloosa.